Hello sir, parts online subscribers. Hi guys, we have a short tutorial for let's say some parts of your keyboard will not work out. So this part, we have here the letter S, letter D, the letter D, letter E, and letter C will not work out, will not work. And the solution for that is on here. You see this one, this particular button. You click this particular button and you check. This is called the on-screen keyboard. You click that one, then you have the keyboard now, and you can now type your password. So you can now click your password here. Okay, like that. Okay, so you can now use this one, the on-screen keyboard, or you can type OS key. No, you can type the letter Biola. You have now you solved now the problem. Let's say for example, you cannot see here. You can just also go here when you're inside here and you want to type and it will not work. You just type OS key, OS. So you have now the on-screen keyboard. You click that one and it would appear. Okay, so that's a short fix. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Bye bye.